Okay, so in this video we are going to have a look at another exam question involving the conjugate root theorem. So we see here we're told that 2 and 5i are roots of the equation. They give us the equation, it's a cubic. A and b are elements of the set of reals, that's fine. They want the third root of the equation and then find the value of a and the value of b. Okay, so what's happened here is we've been given the real root, and here is a complex root. So I know by the conjugate root theorem, if 1 minus 5i is a root, then 1 plus 5i has to be a root. Okay, and what we're going to do is use the fact that z squared minus the sum of the roots by z plus the product of the roots equals 0. And then our real root is z equals 2, which we can turn into a factor. And if we multiply our quadratic here by that factor, then that'll give us the cubic, and we'll be able to equate them real with real and figure out what the value is for a and b. Okay, so for sum of the roots, it'll be 1 minus 5i plus 1 plus 5i. So that's 1 plus 1 minus 5i plus 5i will give me 0i, so we get 2. And for the product, we're multiplying. 1 by 1 is 1, 1 by 5i plus 5i, minus 5i by 1 is minus 5i, minus 5 by 5 is 25i squared. And we know that I squared is equal to minus 1. So that's 1 minus 25 times minus 25, 1 plus 25, which gives me 26. So our quadratic then is z squared minus the sum, which is 2z, plus the product, which is 26, equals 0. Okay, so our real root was z equals 2. So then z minus 2 will be a factor. We're going to multiply that by our quadratic to get our cubic. So we get, just make this a bit clearer, z by z squared will give me z cubed, z by minus 2z is minus 2z squared, and then plus 26z, and we get minus 2z squared plus 4z, and then just into your calculator, 26 by 2 will give you 52. We'll tidy up. We get z cubed, just like we like here. Minus 4z squared plus 30z minus 52 equals 0. And then we'd been given the equation above, which was z cubed plus az squared plus 30z plus b equals 0. And here's our like, so we have z cubed, that's fine, minus 4z squared plus az squared plus 30z plus 30z, and our last one was minus 52 and plus b. So we have z cubed equals z cubed, that's all fine, minus 4z squared is going to equal az squared, 30z will equal 30z, all good there, and minus 52 is equal to b. So here we have z squared and z squared in common. We can drop that. We get a equals minus 4, and then here we have b equals minus 52. So just at the end, a equals minus 4 and b is equal to minus 52. And that's that question answered.